What's going on, y'all? JT here with an unboxing of the Losi Tenacity DB Pro. So real quick, a history with me in this particular vehicle. I had the regular Tenacity that had the plastic chassis and the battery kind of loaded up underneath it from the bottom and stuff. And then I believe several months after I had purchased that one, they released an upgraded kit that had like aluminum threaded body shocks on it, aluminum chassis and stuff. But it was kind of back and forth. Now, the other one kind of loaded the battery from below, and I wasn't a big fan of that. But eventually, I mean, I don't have the car with me right now, but I will be doing a side-by-side comparison because it is in storage. So I will be showing you guys the difference between the previous version and this version as well. So you guys can pick this up for $429. There'll be a link down below in the description for it. And it does come in two colors as well. I got the Lucas oil color for it, and it has several features on it. I like it that it actually has LED lights on it too, so that's a pretty cool thing there. And it does say on here that it's going to go 50 plus miles per hour, so we are going to put that to the test. I've seen several videos of this running before, and I know it performs well. So anyway, let's go ahead and let's get this box open and let's see what we got inside. All right, y'all. Oh yeah, and no boxing is complete without that smell-o-vision. So this is packed up in here pretty good. We got our instruction manual and tools and stuff there, and that looks pretty good. So let me go ahead and let me pull this out real quick. Look at that. Oh, we get double A's. Oh, we get double A's with this for the radio. So that's pretty cool. So let me go ahead, let's pull this out and let's look at this buggy in its entirety. So give me just a second, I'll get this pulled out. All right, y'all, got this buggy out and it looks good. We'll put this to the side in just a second and get back to that. So you do get several things, of course, in here. Of course, you get your instruction manual, and then you get some, these are stickers, I'm hoping, yep. You do get some firmer stickers and stuff for them as well, so you can put that on there. I'll probably put maybe one or two if I start scratching up the body, put that on the side. But you do get some extra stickers and stuff with it as well. And you do get some tools and stuff. Now, this plastic tool is probably not going to be the best for the tires and wheels, but it'll get you started. And I don't know what these are for. I don't know. If you guys know in the comments, I have to look to see. That's why it pays to look through the instruction manual to let me know what these are for. I mean, maybe some extra pieces or something for something that's actually hooked up to the buggy. And then you do get a additional pinion gear. Now, if I recall, this is kind of the opposite of kind of what a lot of other manufacturers do. If you're going to run this on 3S, you do want to put this pinion gear in it. I think the way it's set up to run a 2S LiPo with the current gear settings. If you want to run 3S, they recommend that you switch out to this smaller pinion gear. And I don't know what size this is. Doesn't really say on there. It looks like it's probably about a 14 or 15 or something like that. But we'll get into that just a little bit. But they do give you some extra screws and stuff as well. I don't know if this is for these pieces here, but if you guys know in the comments, go ahead and put that down there. I appreciate it. I'm going to look through this instruction manual as well and see what those are for. But anyway, you also get your instruction manual. I do advise, as always, like I'm going to be doing in just a bit, taking a couple minutes and just looking through this instruction manual, if I can catch my tongue, and familiarize yourself with the car and stuff. And then also you do get, with this particular vehicle, you get the DX2E radio. And this radio is fine. I have no problems or issues or anything with it. It doesn't have that throttle limiter on it where you can go 50, 75, 100%, but it's fine for what it is. I mean, it does have ABC and stuff on there as well. It does fit good in the hand, and you do get double A's. So that is a good thing. You got a rob them for one of my other radios and stuff. So let me get this aside and let's take a look at this buggy. All right, so all that put aside, this buggy looks good. I mean, it looked good when it first came out. When I think of RC buggy, I kind of think about like something like this and not so much of an 8-scale buggy. And this is going to be the size of like a short course truck, like a Slash or something like that. But I'll do some size comparisons to this and 8-scale buggies a little bit later on. But I mean, the overall look of this buggy looks good. And like I said, it does come in two colors. You can get it in this color, and I think it's the Fox is actually a black color as well. So you guys kind of saw that kind of popping up there. So looking at this on the outside, the tires and stuff are good on here. I haven't heard anything bad about the tracks or anything with the tires. I have seen a couple people that they said it kind of came unglued, but that, you know, if you're running 3S and this thing is going 50 plus miles per hour, that could possibly happen. So I will be bringing some glue with me when I kind of take these out and or take this buggy out and get this running. One thing I do like is that they do include these tethers for the body clips on here. Now, I believe the previous one didn't have it. I can't recall, but I'm glad they're doing this though with this. And to get this body off, you just actually remove those 2 tethers and you just flip this straight up. Now, the previous version, like I said, I got to go to storage to get my other one out. It did the same thing, but the body's still up. I mean, the battery's still uploaded from underneath it. And you guys know that this is an aluminum chassis. And check this out. Oh, that's pretty cool. I didn't know. Look at that. So what they did was they also put a tether with the body clip here for your battery strap. So that's pretty cool. I'm glad they did that because I believe usually when you see something like this, you don't see that. So that's, you know, we want to say kind of pretty ingenious, but that's actually a good idea because these do get lost. So how many times have you guys went out and ran your cars and like, oh man, I forgot my body clip, or it pops off or something. So that's a pretty good idea for that. Now I don't know, that may be what those plastic pieces are for. So this can fit a 2S LiPo in it fine. I think some of my 3S's, those pieces may be to lift this up. I'm not 100% sure. I got to go through the instruction manual to find out. But I do believe this is somewhat adjustable to fit a little bit larger battery pack and stuff in there. So, but anyway, this does come with aluminum threaded body shocks, which is good. Aluminum shock towers, front and rear. You guys see that as well. And it does also have an aluminum chassis. So that's good. It does have the updates that the other one did not have. It was like, I think, a performance kit or a pro kit that was like $100 to convert the previous one to something looking like this. And I believe it didn't even have adjustable turnbuckles either. But this one does, as you guys see there. It does come with a 130 amp speed controller. Now I'm going to say this, you guys don't do it. You can run this on 4S. The motor's probably not really going to take it unless you just run it for a quick second. But you can run this on 4S. Don't do it. But you can run this on 4S for a couple seconds down the street once or twice and check your motor temp. So I may try that out on a super speed Saturday to see what kind of top speeds we can get with this, just to run it down the street real quick and come back. But I don't know if my batteries can fit in there, but I don't know. We'll see what we can do with that. But this does come with a 130 amp speed controller. Flip this around over here. I believe this is a 3150 kV motor, and you guys can see the receiver and stuff in there as well. There's an ABC receiver as well, and the servo is a S605. I may upgrade that to a little bit faster when I want to kind of get it out to get this running first, just to see, you know, how it performs. But it does come with the center diff and stuff as well. So guys, I'm not going to make this too in depth because I did kind of have one of these before. I did some reviews on it, and then it just kind of went in storage. But I'll have to get it out and do a side-by-side comparisons between this and then the previous version as well. And you guys know I'm fiending, so y'all know I'll be having some running videos up pretty soon, probably before this unboxing comes out. But I did want to at least unbox this and show this to you guys. With this, they also have a short course truck as well, that's kind of built on this, excuse me, same platform, which I may look at some point and get that and run that against my Slash and then also my Sentin. Just kind of have I don't know, a short course battle royale or something like that, just so you guys can see them all out there kind of performing and stuff. Probably the Losi's probably going to perform the best as far as handling goes. Losi does make some really good performing cars. The Sentin may be the fastest, the Slash may be the most durable, I don't know, but we'll get that out pretty soon for. And also, let me check on a couple of things with this. This does come with sway bars, I didn't mention, front and rear, and it does come with the stabilizers as well. You guys can see that there, front and rear as well, and dog bones as well. I can't recall, I believe the previous version did. I have to get that previous version out, take a look at that to kind of see and do some comparisons with this. But I'm glad they went ahead and did this because I believe the previous one was $399, and then you bought the kit, it was another $100. So you're looking at $500 or more to get this particular platform, where you buy this one now and it's got all that included on it. So I'm kind of excited to get this out, get this running. I'm going to check the temps and stuff when I run it as well. Run it on 2S, 3S, do some speed tests and stuff with it as well, and then take it off road. And I do want to take this to the BMX track and kind of run the entire track with this as well, because it just looks pretty cool kind of running around that track. So anyway, guys, that is a quick unboxing and look at this. I wanted to show this to you guys. I can't wait to get this out and get this running and show you guys what this thing can do out there. And also it has LED lights here in the front, so that's going to be good for when I run at night. So you guys won't be like, hey, put some LED lights on your car. It already comes with it. So anyway, guys, don't forget to put your comments down below. forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more videos. Thanks for watching.